Okay, it is Wednesday morning here, Thursday morning, August 13th. And so we had the car over to the dealership yesterday to see if we could correct the problem with the braking and the alarms coming in and stuff. And they replaced a part of the back, a rear brake. And I drove it home yesterday with no problem. However, this morning, let's see, yeah, it's bringing in all the alarms again. Let's see. So it runs through a whole bunch of different things. I don't know if it's just a diagnostic thing or if it's an actual mechanical issue, whatever. It cleared okay yesterday when I was coming home from Cambridge Honda. It's about 2 miles, 3 miles. I had absolutely no problem with it. It was fine. It actually started showing things in the parking lot there as soon as I got in the car, and then came out and I go in and got the guy again, the service rep, and he came out, and of course it wouldn't do anything, it wouldn't repeat it. So that's usually how things go with me. After that, I drove it home with no problem, and everything was cool, and so that was the end of that. But yeah, so that's my thing with this. So I have to figure out what the heck's going on. This is not a good situation. Obviously I want to get it resolved, and so it's working properly. Obviously the car is way out of warranty, which that's neither here nor there at this point. Safety is the main thing. So anyway, I got a feeling I may be going back over there again to see if they can do some further investigating on this. I hope it's just a diagnostic issue, something that can be cleared, or whatever alarm that was, whatever. But it's resulting in physical differences. Like there's no power assist braking when it's in this mode, and then there's a whole bunch of other things that come up and stuff. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Anyway, it's always something. That's all.